Hi friends, I'm Galina, aka King Cat, and today's meow has a few last-minute Halloween ideas. I really hope to finish this video before my power goes off again. I have an abundance of cat shorts and cat accessories. Usually I don't wear them together, but for the cat lover look, I decided to do just that. If you're a dog lover or wolf lover or anything else lover, the look can be easily adapted. I didn't have a cat bottom, so I picked one of the t-shirts, the one with the widest neckline, and wore it as a skirt. I added these adorable heels by Talk. I also have slippers with the same motif, mock shirt with cat collar, and topped it all with cat ears. These teeny earrings also have cats in them, but it's probably hard to see on camera. I tied the cat sweater around my waist so I would have a cat on the back. And grabbed the leopard print bag. So now the only thing missing was a cat to carry around. Not this cat. This one would require a litter box. Yes, this one is so much better. What do you think? For a second look, I went for the simplest work from home outfit. Bathrobe, geeky t-shirt, pajama pants, cat flats, which I wear as slippers, and a cup. And then I decided to spice it up a bit and added vampire teeth. Because when you work from home all the time, you could be a vampire or werewolf or Wookiee for that matter. Nobody needs to bother or even know if your communications are through email. The third look is the one you see on me. If you have elf ears but don't want to buy traditional elf outfit, you could always go as a modern elf, which may even be more fun. I decided to go with a dark elf version. I used tank top and skinny jeans and topped it with a long dark red cardigan. Then I added heels in teal color, silver earrings, cool belt, leather bracelet, and several rings. If you prefer a more business type kind of elf, like the ones in the movie Bright, the cardigan can be replaced by a jacket. Or if you're into boho style, that would work equally well. You get the idea. The fourth look, the scoundrel, might require a bit more work, though it all depends on what pieces you already have available. Plus, a lot of similar stuff can be thrifted. I used the brown long sleeve t-shirt, the school leggings, crop jacket, belt with pockets I found on Etsy some time ago, and Doc Martens. I added this little thing for some fun, and then a weapon, which is essentially a painted Nerf gun. I didn't paint it, my boyfriend did. And here it is. The fifth look is supposed to keep people guessing, so the crazier you'll make it, the better. I used white jeans so I could easily roll up one of the legs, this cool shirt which I buttoned up unevenly, mismatched shoes, One thing to be aware of is to make sure the heels are relatively the same height, otherwise walking might not be the most comfortable. Mismatched earrings, chain necklace, some bracelets, rings, the crazier the better. Then I added my boyfriend's vest and put a sign on the back. Yes, no, undecided. I added the belt from the previous look. Then topped the toe with a cowboy hat. Again, my boyfriend, so it's a bit big on me, but for this look it's even better. And then when I thought I was done, I decided to add the vampire teeth. Because why not? What do you think? Thank you for watching. Hope you got some ideas from it or at least had some fun. Please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Happy Halloween and see you next time.